Bob Veeluh here decided I refuse to buy scissors. I refuse. But I think I came up with another way to cut up these checkbooks. I guess I'll have to do it one at a time. I'm looking at this $17.20 taken out of my account for a free paper checkbook. Paper. Okay. Let's see if this works. Get that in there. Very safe running the camera and the bandsaw at the same time. Definitely safe. Don't try this at home. Oh, that's much better. Much better. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Who needs scissors now? Who needs scissors now? Yeah. Success. Never buy scissors again.